reason why they went to LU, na silang magkakasama, tapos may conflict po ba na kailangan i-resolve, kaya po sila nagpunta doon? Ano lang ba isa?
Well, yung basic premise lang, so yung barkada nila, the 6 guys, they're called the VPC, Valley Boys Crew. Nakatira sila sa isang village, childhood friends sila. So something happens na may ginawa silang kalokohan, so sabi ng parents sila, you're bad influences to each other, maghiwa-hawalay na kayo. So, yun, this is the last summer of these lifelong friends. So nag-LU sila, tapos shenanigans happened that changed their lives even more. So parang ganun. So may some, that's a test yung friendship nila and all that. So.
Ayan, good afternoon. I have 2 questions lang. Kung pwedeng sagutin ng lahat natin. Although mabilis na lang siguro. Unang question, was there a time na naisip nyo na ay baka hindi na maipalabas itong movie namin? Medyo matagal na nga. Ano yung naging damdamin nyo at that time?
Kami ni David lagi niya kami ni-message, bro, yung GLU, papalabas pa kaya yan? Ganyan. Lagi kami nag-uusap. Pero, medyo, actually sa dami ng mga nangyari at sa sobrang busy namin lahat, syempre nakalimutan namin. Ako, aminin ko, medyo nakalimutan ko. Pero, nung nakita ko na parang lumalabas na ulit siya, sabi ko, oh, may ginawa nga pala kaming movie. Tapos, nung parang nagkaroon na ng mga dates, ng mga press-con, ng mga promotions, sabi ko, oh, it's finally here. And naalala ko lahat ng mga masasayang moments, and naalala ko paano ko siya gawin yung film. Na, yun lang naman, parang, parang, yung una parang, saan na kaya? Ganun, tapos ngayon ito na. So, nakakatawa.
So yes, there were a couple times I messaged Direk and even TJ, like, lalabas pa rin yung movie kasi yun yung baon ko during the pandemic, having 2 pregnancies, inaantay mo talaga para malalaman yung mga tao na kaya mo talaga umarte, and that I want to also do this, and we had so much fun, and grabe din yung development ng cast in their career. From that point till now, so I follow everybody on social media, and I think, wow, yung mga successes nila, the movie coming out at any time would be great for all of us. And I think also a reminder of humble beginnings. I think it's a first for a lot of us, and a start for a lot of us. And as we keep saying, there's a perfect timing for everything.
Well, for me also, since yun nga, parang panganay ko siyang anak, yung movie was and it's personal story also, so importante siya. So I guess, yung time na yun, it was tough for everyone, the pandemic. I mean, even if medyo nag-wane na, di ba? Hindi mo pa rin alam kung when do you release it. So parang, I guess those were the things that were being considered. So, but I'm very happy na at least ngayon.
Yun, so ako na, pag-last ka na, no? So, ayun, syempre kinakabahan talaga. Like, hindi naman kinabahan, pero every time na nakikita kami, laging yung topic namin, uy, kailan papalabas na daw, papalabas. Pero, iniisip ko rin before, baka hindi na ipalabas. Pero yun nga, yung parang lahat nagtataasa na yun na rin. Lahat sobrang nag-boom yung career. Lagi na yung pinag-uusapan. Sakto, pag lumabas to, mas okay. So, nangyari ang lahat. So, parang feeling ko perfect timing talaga ngayon. So, naiintindihan ko na kung bakit hindi pa siya ipalabas nun. So, hopefully, maging talagang opportunity to para mapanood ng lahat kasi this is it. This is the right time.
Ako po syempre Miss Rose noong una. So very excited po ako syempre, like everybody else. But of course, at the end of the day, a lot of things happen. And kami po, tiwala po kami kay ALV, our manager, producer, and also kay Direk, na ilalabas na ito sa tamang timing. And alam naman po natin ngayon na sobrang init ngayon ng panahon, nasa 40, 41 na. So I believe that perfect timing itong GLU kasi pampadagdag ng init ang pelikula namin. So, yun po.
Ang init.